As somebody who loves to watch movies, and that's predominantly the reason why I bought an 85-inch TV, having the right backlighting system can actually improve the whole visual experience of watching a movie more than you actually think. And that's exactly why I've got this product, Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro. For my situation, this is going to be perfect for a couple of different reasons. A, doesn't require a sync box, so it doesn't matter what you're watching on the TV, it's going to display the colors displayed on the screen. And the reason it does that is using the camera at the top that stays on top of the TV, scanning down the whole screen. And it's actually got 3 built-in cameras with HDR, I believe, for color reproduction. It's built for 85 or 75 to 85-inch TVs, which is perfect for me. It's got app control, can be used with Google Home and Alexa, and I'm super excited about this because I think it's going to be a really big upgrade. So let's open it up, see how easy it is to install, and see what the outcome is. I've also got some more Govee lights that I'll show you towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Let's go open it up. Quick start guide, this will definitely need just to set up the camera and the cables and whatnot. Okay, so this is the camera that goes on top of the TV. As you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3 cameras on there just for optimal lighting. The control, the controller. So one USB-C to USB-C, cable clip, power brick. And you get a bunch of cable clips and stuff like that, so that's pretty nice touch. These blocks are actually used for the calibration on the TV. And finally, the actual light strip. So it seems like the 2 most important things is when placing the camera, it has to be at a 90-degree angle, this section, I guess, so it can see the TV screen perfect way. And when installing the actual strip, we need to start from either the bottom left or the bottom right hand corner and then make our way around. Sounds easy enough. So there we go. I think I've got it in the right position now. This was how much I had to move it apart from the rest, but hopefully with the light diffusion, that should be perfectly fine. Now just to put the clips on and then we can start installing the camera. So lights are installed, camera is installed at the perfect 90-degree angle. Now I just need to calibrate everything. Calibrating your camera to your TV, generally you need to use these orange squares, which they have some sticky on one side and you're supposed to stick them around the actual TV. Some people don't want to do that, so what I've made is like a calibration kind of like tool, so you can use that for free. And it's also got the color accuracy and a bunch of video effects, which I will show you in this video as well. So you can do all the tests using that video, and it's going to be linked in the description box below. If you want to search for it, it's just going to be called that on YouTube. So that's just something free you can use if you don't want to be sticking these orange things on your TV. So let me show you how I use this to actually calibrate the camera to my TV. During the initial setup process, you're obviously going to get a pop-up to calibrate the camera to the TV. Now, if you've gone through that process, but you want to redo it now with the video that I've got, all you have to do is press the settings icon, camera calibration right there. It's going to pop up with the camera. You've got the left and right and the bottom. So once they load up, restart calibration, and then you've got the left hand side here, right hand side on this one. So once they pop up, you want to just start calibrating. You're going to do left hand side first, drag the circles to where the red squares are, tap the right hand side to do the same to the right, and once you've done that and you're happy with the results, press the tick, and that's calibrated. So then what we can do is do the same for the bottom. So restart calibration, got it, find the red squares at the bottom, and that's calibrated. So press the tick again, and now your screen should be calibrated to the camera. Then you're going to fast forward the video to get to the color balance section, and then pause it again. And now we're going to go color calibration, and we're going to calibrate the white balance. So this is going to scan the screen, and I've got the light gray up on the screen, and then just select which one shows a better image, whether it be the left or right camera. So we use this one. Next, should take around 15 seconds. Once that's done, then your screen should be calibrated. As you can see now, the light around is uniform and like a bright white. If you play the video right after this, blue, yellow, green, pink, red, so you can make sure that your color accuracy is on point. And then we've got some cool visual effects that I've loaded into the video so you can demonstrate to either yourself or to somebody else the effect of the lights on the back. So yeah, I hope the video actually helps you, and let me know in the comments if you end up using it. For the backlight options, you've actually got solid, vivid, smooth and delicate, and you'll see on the screen now I'm showing you all four at the same time. Between vivid, smooth and delicate, there isn't that huge of a difference. They do try to identify more colors and just give you a better experience overall, in my opinion. If you like the solid look, what it does, it identifies whatever the most dominant color is on the screen and it gives you that light for the backlight. And let me show you some more content on the screen so you can see how smooth interacts with actual movies and games and stuff. I know the lights might not be for everyone. Some people don't want to have that backlight on the back of the TV. For me personally, it makes the experience of playing games, watching movies, watching shows so much more enjoyable and so much more immersive. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like having the backlight lights on, especially when they're reacting to what's on the screen? Or do you prefer no lights on when you're watching TV shows or movies? And like I said, the Backlight 3 Pro is the perfect solution for me. Because we use the built-in Android TV system, it won't really work with a sync box. I've got some other Govee lights I want to show you that may just brighten up your life. No pun intended. Let me show you them. So firstly, we've got the floor lamp 2. It looks really nice and it's perfect to put in a corner of a room. It gives you a nice diffused light and you can change it into various different colors. Number 2, you've got the tree floor lamp and it's perfect if you want to give different kind of lights in the room. You've got 3 lights on there which can be changed through the app individually to give you 3 different colors, and it can give you a pretty unique look when it comes to lighting in the room. So number 3 is the Uplighter floor lamp, and this is a really interesting one. As you can see, it gives this super nice wave pattern in the top light that you can change the colors to and the effects to through the app. And not only that, but it's got a light underneath it as well that you can be turned on at the same time, and it's perfect light if you want to just give it subtle lighting in the room or use it as a reading light or something like that. And then we've got the pendant light. Now I managed to get one of these installed. I've got about 3 more that are going into the new studio setup. I really like the look of these and it's such a premium feeling. It's got this glass outer shell and honestly it surprised me how bright it gets. Obviously you can change the colors, but the brightness on it is what surprised me the most. You can control them all through the Govee app. You can change the lights, the brightness, the colors, all the different effects. Not only that, but you can control them through Matter, Alexa and Google Home. So plenty of ways to control whatever way you want. Now, if you did enjoy the video, do hit that subscribe button down below. If you end up liking the video, hit the like button as well and share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in getting themselves Govee lights. Don't forget, if you want to get that video calibration for your Govee lights, there'll be a link in the description box below, but I'm sure you can also find it on my channel if you just search for it. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks, and I will catch you on the next one.